Hi everyone, welcome to the Longxi channel. I'm Simon, your product assistant. Today, I would like to introduce our 8-megapixel POE kits. We offer 4-channel, 8-channel and 16-channel POE kits along with DIY service. Now, I have the 16 POE kits in my hands. Let's take a look what's inside together. The POE kits come not only with comprehensive accessories. First, they feature a plug-and-play setup, simply power on the network video recorder, and the cameras will draw power via Ethernet cables, allowing the POE kit to start functioning immediately. Second, the POE kit can display real-time 4K Ultra High Definition video, providing clarity 4 times that of full high definition, resulting in much sharper details. Third, the POE kit supports both infrared and full color night vision. Based on human detection, the POE kit automatically switches between night vision modes to provide you with optimal performance. Fourth, the POE kit supports intelligent detection functions such as motion detection, human detection, vehicle detection, and pack detection. When these intelligent detection features are triggered, the camera will flash red and blue lights and emit an alarm. Finally, the POE kit supports two-way audio, enabling remote interaction and instant communication. If you want to learn more about the POE kit, please feel free to contact me. This has been your friendly Longxi assistant, Simon. Remember to follow me for more updates.